What is Firewall? You can find everything you need about Firewall by watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel to support us. Imagine your computer or network is like a fortress, filled with valuable data and secrets. But just like any fortress, it needs protection. That's where our hero, the Firewall, steps in. Meet Firewall, the guardian of your digital realm. It's like the moat around your castle. Its job? To keep out the bad guys and let in only the good stuff. Firewall has two main shields, inbound and outbound. Inbound shields protect against threats trying to get in, while outbound shields keep an eye on what's trying to sneak out. It's like the bouncer at the nightclub, but for data. Every piece of data entering or leaving your fortress is checked by Firewall. Suspicious characters? They're blocked. Legitimate visitors? They're welcomed with open arms. And when Firewall detects something fishy, it doesn't just sit there sipping cyber coffee. No, it raises the alarm, sending you warnings and letting you decide whether to allow or block the suspicious activity. It's like having your own cyber guardian, always vigilant, always protecting. Firewall has rules. These rules are recorded in the access control list by network admins. Thus, whether the connection coming from the IP address is safe or not is identified to the firewall. Those whose permission section is at allowed can pass through the firewall, others cannot. Firewall rules can be determined according to IP, domain, protocol, program or port. For example, data from port 80 can be accepted, but others cannot pass through the firewall. There are several firewall types. Host-based firewall is the type of firewall installed on computers. It is only responsible for protecting the computer. Network-based firewall is responsible for protecting the entire local network. Having a network-based firewall is a good step to protect the local network. But it is not always enough. Remember that malicious hackers can use many attacks to penetrate the firewall. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel to support us.